In English, this is my hand, on Gaelic, mo lav. In English, this is my sandwich, on Gaelic, in kepere Agam. Hang on, jihadol. In Gaelic, there are two ways of talking about things that we have, or possessive pronouns. Mo root versus in root Agam. But which to use and when? Use mo for things that are personal, permanent, and you have a very close relationship with. Mar exemplar, mo chas, mo Gàidhlig. My foot, my family. Mo also causes lenition, so cast becomes chas, Gàidhlig becomes Gàidhlig. For simplicity, it could be easier to just say mo for everything. Mo char, mo roher, mo chepere, but this would be incorrect. For things that we have but aren't so personal or permanent, use in root Agam, in car Agam, in roher, or in bicycle Agam. Geta, in my experience, some things are a grey area. Agus clunner in dachuch, in tai Agam, or mo hai. Mo hai appears in goch. In lepi Agam, mo lepi. I would say in lepi Agam, but then mo lepi appears in very old Gaelic songs. Mo lepi, in lepi Agam, Gàidhlig.